For color correction, you can also use something called LUTs inside of Davinci Resolve. So to access out LUTs on the color page, you can go around over here on the top where it says LUTs. So once you go around over here, you can see that there's different LUT looks that you can apply right here. Let's say, for example, you can go around and then apply this look right here. You can hover around and you can see the preview right here. Similarly, you can go around over here and that LUT look is applied, as you can see right here. So to apply our LUTs, you can go around and add in a node over here as well, or apply the LUT in the original node that you see right here. But I'm just going to go around over here and add in a serial node right here. And to apply a LUT, you can go around onto any of the LUT effect that you want to apply. Click on it right here, just like this. Click on it and drag it, drop it, and the LUT is applied right here. Similarly, you can go around over here, add in a serial node right here. And once you do that, you can go around and then click and drag around. Let's say, for example, this right here. So this LUT, or let's say, for example, this one or this one right here, just like this. And once that is done, you can go around over here, click and drag it. And there you go. This is what you have, as you can see. And once you go around over here, this is the LUTs that is applied, as you can see, and you get different color corrections accordingly right here. So let me just click on this. You can disable one node and you can see that only this LUT is applied right here. So you can go around, click to disable that and enable only this LUT over here, just like this as well. And that is how you can utilize LUTs for quick color corrections inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.